Hi allesammans, hello everyone, welcome to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Today we will discuss how to use skal plus infinitive in Norwegian. When learning Norwegian, understanding verb combinations and modal expressions is crucial. One such combination is skal plus infinitive. In our discussion today, we will delve into this particular structure's uses, meanings, and examples. Introduction to skal. In Norwegian, skal is a modal auxiliary verb, much like will or shall in English. It indicates future tense, intention, promise, or obligation. When combined with an infinitive verb, skal provides a framework for constructing sentences that express these meanings. Basic structure. The basic structure is quite simple. Skal plus infinitive verb. The infinitive form is the base form of the verb, similar to the to plus verb form in English. Example given, for example, to go, to eat, to sing. Expressing future intentions, like will in English, skal, can be used to discuss future actions or intentions. For example, jeg skal reise til Norge neste år. Jeg skal reise til Norge neste år. Jeg skal reise til Norge neste år. I will travel to Norway next year. Making promises. Skal can be used to make a promise or guarantee something. Du skal få en gave på bursdagen din. Du skal få en gave på bursdagen din. Du skal få en gave på bursdagen din. You will get a gift on your birthday. Expressing obligation. Skal is also used to express something one is obliged or supposed to do. Du skal gjøre leksene dine før du ser på TV. Du skal gjøre leksene dine før du ser på TV. Du skal gjøre leksene dine før du ser på TV. You are to do your homework before you watch TV. Asking about intentions. When asking someone about their plans or intentions, skal can be used in questions. Skal du på kino i kveld? Skal du på kino i kveld? Skal du på kino i kveld? Are you going to the movies tonight? Negating skal. To negate sentences using skal, simply add ikke, not after skal. Jeg skal ikke gå på kino i kveld. Jeg skal ikke gå på kino i kveld. Jeg skal ikke gå på kino i kveld. I'm not going to go to the cinema tonight. Common mistakes. Don't confuse skal with will. While both can be translated as will in English, will leans more towards expressing a desire or wish, whereas skal denotes a more definite intention or plan. Skal plus infinitive is an essential structure in Norwegian, helping express future intentions, obligations, and promises. As you continue mastering Norwegian, being comfortable with this combination will add clarity and precision to your conversation. Remember, as with any language structure, the key to master is practice. So incorporate skal plus infinitive in your daily dialogues and written exercises. Unlock a world of opportunity and connect with a rich cultural heritage by learning Norwegian from zero to hero with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Our immersive courses and expert instructors guide you every step of the way, ensuring you become fluent and confident in the language. Elevate your Norwegian language skills from the comfort of your home by subscribing to the Norwegian Language School on YouTube. Enjoy expertly crafted lessons, interactive exercises, and a vibrant community, all designed to take you from beginner to fluent, one video at a time. Unlock the full learning experience with the Learn Norwegian and the NLS Norwegian Language School by becoming a Patreon member today at patreon.com NLS Norwegian Language School. Patreon.com NLS Norwegian Language School. You will get downloadable worksheets to practice what you've learned from our YouTube videos, podcasts, and gain exclusive perks like member only chats, transcripts, one on one private Norwegian classes, early access to new content, Discord access, etc., for an immersive and interactive Norwegian language learning journey. Thank you for tuning in to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.